Apple's next budget-friendly phone that's getting a serious glow-up. If you're someone who loves Apple products but isn't ready to splurge on the latest Pro models, this one's for you. Here's the full scoop on what's coming, and spoiler alert, it's packed with premium features. Gone are the days of the home button and chunky bezels. The iPhone SE 4 is stepping up its style game with a sleek, modern design inspired by the iPhone 14. Think flat edges, slim bezels, and a more premium vibe overall. It's basically like dressing up for a fancy party, but still feeling comfortable. The SE 4 will feature a 6.1-inch OLED screen, a big deal because OLED means better colors, deeper blacks, and sharper contrast. Apple's finally moving away from LCD for good, so if you've been holding out for a budget iPhone with a fancy screen, this is it. Love the convenience of unlocking your phone with a glance? The SE 4 will have Face ID. Yep, it's ditching the home button for a full-screen experience. Face ID is not only fast, but also super secure. Plus, it feels a bit like stepping into the future every time you use it. Some people might miss the home button, it had its charm, but the added screen space and sleek design are totally worth it. Here's where things get even more exciting. The SE 4 is rumored to come with a 48-megapixel camera. That's a massive upgrade from the 12-megapixel shooter in the current Southeast. More megapixels mean crisper, more detailed photos, even if you're just snapping pics of your lunch. Better low-light shots thanks to Apple's computational photography magic. 4K video recording that's smooth and sharp. If you're into taking photos but don't need all the bells and whistles of a Pro model, this camera could hit the sweet spot. Apple's giving the SE 4 a serious performance boost with a next-gen A-series chip, likely something close to the A17. What does that mean for you? Lightning-fast speeds, smooth multitasking, and a phone that can handle games, video editing, and whatever else you throw at it. Plus, with 8 gigs of RAM, you'll have plenty of memory for all your apps and tabs. No more lag or slowdowns when you're switching between Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Here's a fun twist. The SE 4 will be Apple's first phone to feature their own in-house 5G modem. This is a big move because it gives Apple more control over performance and efficiency. Expect faster download speeds, smoother streaming, and better overall connectivity. It's also a hint that Apple is moving away from relying on Qualcomm, which could shake things up in the industry. Say goodbye to lightning cables. USB-C is here. If you've been annoyed about juggling different chargers for different devices, this should make life easier. Plus, USB-C can deliver faster charging and data transfer speeds, which is always a win. Of course, the SE 4 will run on the latest iOS version, packed with all the features we've come to love. Widgets, custom lock screens, and maybe even more AI-driven features to make life easier. Apple's ecosystem integration will continue to shine, letting you seamlessly connect with your AirPods, Apple Watch, and Mac. Now, the big question. How much will all these upgrades set you back? The current SE starts at $429, but with all the new features, expect a slight price bump. Analysts predict somewhere between $499 and $549. Still, considering everything you're getting, Face ID, OLED, 5G, and a top-tier chip, it's a pretty sweet deal. The iPhone SE 4 isn't just a budget phone. It's Apple's way of offering flagship features at a friendlier price. It's perfect for people who want an iPhone but don't need the absolute latest Pro features. Plus, it helps Apple compete in the mid-range market, where Android phones often dominate. So the question is it worth the hype? Absolutely. The iPhone SE 4 is shaping up to be a killer option for anyone looking for a powerful, modern iPhone without breaking the bank. With its fresh design, impressive camera, fast performance, and 5G capabilities, it's set to punch well above its price tag. If you've been holding out for an upgrade or just want an affordable way into Apple's ecosystem, March 2025 can't come soon enough. So, let us know your expectations from upcoming iPhone SE 4, and I'll see you all in the next one. Until then, take care.